previous class we learnt about Windows 7, introduction of Windows 7. No? In that we learnt about the features of Windows 7, functions of operating system and desktop. No? Okay, now let us learn about these topics today. Okay children, icons, taskbar, notification area, files and folders, desktop gadgets, adding sticky notes. Okay, now let us learn about icons. See the picture here. This is the desktop window now. Here small pictures are there. Some small pictures like my computer, recycle bin, internet, like the small pictures are there now. These are all called icons. The small pictures or symbols present on this desktop are called icons. These icons are used to open specific programs or documents. Okay children, and next we will discuss about taskbar. Now taskbar. See here. This is the taskbar. This is the taskbar. The long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop. It is divided into many sections. Now let us learn about the start button. See here. Here is the start button. The start button is present at the bottom of the left corner of the taskbar. When you click on this start button, the list of options appears. The list of options is called start menu. The start menu can also be opened by pressing Windows button on the keyboard. And next, this middle section. This middle section. See here, middle section. This middle section of the taskbar shows the open programs as buttons. This area of the taskbar is called quick launch bar. Quick launch bar. And next, notification area. See here. This is the right side of the taskbar. The right of the taskbar is known as notification area, which includes clock and group of icons and calendar also. And next, files and folders. Files and folders. A file is a collection of data or information. When you save your work in a program, it is saved as a file, and you can keep the files in a folder. A folder is a place to store files or any other folders. And next, desktop gadgets. Desktop gadgets. These are mini programs called gadgets in Windows. For example, we can display news headlines and weather details right next to your open programs. In this way, you can keep track of what's happening in the news while you work also. Okay. And some of the gadgets that come with Windows 7 are like calculator, calendar, clock, weather, like that. See the picture? See the picture? Like this. Calendar, clock, these are all desktop gadgets. And next, how to add these desktop gadgets? First step, click on the start button. First you have to click on the start button and go to control panel, and next click on the desktop gadgets like this. Like this. Control panel, and next double click on the gadget which one you want to add. Okay. Next, adding sticky notes. Adding sticky notes. Sticky notes is an application that is integrated in Windows. It is a small ability that allows you to create all kinds of notes, and you can place them anywhere where you want to on your desktop. You can resize or recolor them easily, and you can place them as per your convenience. Okay. And what are the steps to open this adding sticky notes? First, again you have to click on the start button, and next click on all programs, and next click on accessories and click on sticky notes. Then sticky notes is added to your current window. Okay children, this is all your lesson number 2, introduction of Windows 7. Okay, keep watching this video.